Okay, now we're going to take a look at standard form inequalities. Okay, so when we have an inequality, right, we know that the first thing we have to do is graph the boundary. And the boundary is 2x plus 4y is equal to 12, right? So x-intercept means y is 0. So I'm going to cover up y, and I get 2x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2, I get x is 6. So x is 6. That's my intercept. Next, I'm going to do the y-intercept, which means x is 0. So if x is 0, I get 4y is equal to 12. That means I get y is 3 when I divide by 4. Right? So y is 3. Okay, now I have to make the line, but because this is strictly less than, I'm going to make it a dotted line, right? Because we're not including that line in our solution set. Okay? So I have that done. Now I just have to decide if I'm going to shade up here or down here. Okay? If you have your own little tricks on how to decide that, that's fine. What I like to do is I like to test 0, 0. So I'm going to test 0, 0. You can test any point, 1, 1, whatever you want. So if I test 0, 0, I get 0 plus 0, 12. Is 0 less than 12? Yes. That means that 0, 0, 0, 0 should be in the region that's shaded. So I'm going to shade everything down here. And that's it. Okay? If 0, 0 wasn't part of it, then I wouldn't shade that part, I would shade the other part. Okay? All right, let's look at the second one. So boundary is 5x minus 3y is 15. So first step is x-intercept. That means y is 0, right? So if y is 0, that means I'm left with 5x is 15. X is 3. There's a point there. Okay, y-intercept means x is 0. So if x is 0, I have negative 3y is 15. Divide both by negative 3, and we get y is negative 5. There it is, negative 5. Okay, so it's greater than or equal to, so because it's equal to, I'm going to do a solid line. Okay, and now again, I have to decide, am I going to shade this part or this part? So I pick 0, 0 again. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 is not greater than 15. So it's not. Right? That means that wherever 0, 0 is, I'm not going to shade that region. So I shade the other region. That's it. That's how we do standard form inequalities.